Scene 1. A rainy beginning. Luna, a curious 8-year-old girl with a big imagination, sat by her window. Rain tapped gently against the glass. She sighed. Another boring rainy day. But something strange caught her eye. A fluffy white cloud was hovering low, right outside her window. And sitting on it was a cat. A glowing, magical-looking cat. Scene 2. The cat on the cloud. The cat had fur as soft as mist and eyes that sparkled like stars. "Hello?" it meowed. "I'm Nimbus. Want to go on an adventure?" Luna blinked. You can talk?" Nimbus purred. "Only on rainy days." The cloud floated closer. Luna climbed on carefully. Together, they soared into the sky. Scene 3. The floating forest. Above the clouds, Luna gasped in wonder. A forest made of cotton candy trees floated in the air. Giant butterflies danced around them. Nimbus whispered, "This is the Cloudlands. Not many humans get to see it." Suddenly, a shadow loomed. It was a storm cloud, grumpy and dark. Scene 4. The grumpy storm cloud. The storm cloud thundered, "No humans allowed." Nimbus stood tall. Well, as tall as a cat can. "She's kind and brave. She belongs here." But the storm cloud began to rumble louder. Luna took a deep breath. "What if I help? Maybe you're just lonely." The storm cloud paused. "Lonely?" it muttered. Scene 5. The storm softens. Luna played music on her whistle. The storm cloud began to sway, then smile. Its thunder became soft drumming. Rain turned into sparkling silver droplets. "You can stay," it said kindly. Nimbus winked. "Told you she was brave." Scene 6. Home again. As the sun peeked out, Nimbus's cloud began to lower. "I have to go home now," Luna said. Nimbus nodded. "Come visit again. We'll be waiting." Back in her room, Luna looked out the window. The sky was clear. But she saw a little white paw